I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times.
We are here now in Çanakkale, which is the old Gallipoli, if you know the Anzac War, 1915. This is the city of that. I've just crossed the ferry, which is the Bosphorus, well, the Dardanelles, the Gallipoli Dardanelles. I was supposed to stay in Istanbul, but my phone doesn't work, so no data, I've got no network, I've got nothing, even though, you know, it was open to any network in Turkey because I've used them before, but somehow, you know, my network provider has messed it up, so I've got no way of contacting people, and I was supposed to meet people in Istanbul, and at the moment, well, I mean, when I was there in the morning, I just couldn't get hold of anyone because I haven't got any phone. So I decided to drive down back home. Well, drive home, not back home, drive home instead of spending 2 days in Istanbul before I was heading down south. So it's been a bit of stress because I've been traveling since 5 AM yesterday morning, and I only stopped for food and for toilets and for fuel. I got to the Turkish border at 7:30 AM, and the time, you know, for all my paperwork and everything is, just look at that background, just look at that background, you know, it's a beautiful channel. So that me all paperwork and everything sorted out. It was about 9 o'clock. You've got to be careful when you drive in Turkey as well, you know, so at the same time talking to the camera, people think I'm an idiot talking to myself. and also have to watch the pedestrians and the other cars and the motorbike. If you've been to Turkey, so you know how crazy the driving here is. At the moment my clock shows 3,400 kilometers. This is a total distance from UK. That's around just under 2,000 miles. No, it's actually over 2,000 miles. And now I've got another 280 kilometers, which is around 150, 160 miles to go. 2,000. Yeah, I mean, that was the estimate anyway. 2,300 miles, 2,200. Tell you my total driving time, 42 hours and 34 minutes. This is an A5 sportsback, and the consumption is 63.1 miles a gallon. So that's a 2 litre, very economic, isn't it? That's I'm very, very impressed. Yeah, that was my change of plan. I'm gonna do Istanbul on my way back to UK. I'm gonna stop there like 2-3 days, maybe more, you know, I'll get more out of it rather than get it crammed today. Yeah, it's been a crazy journey. I've traveled through Serbia at night. I didn't want to stay in Serbia overnight because it wasn't safe. You know what I mean? You know, I mean the resting places that I've went, there were some dodgy looking guys, you know, walking around. So I just didn't want to stop there. So what I did, I just stopped at petrol stations, had some food, had some drink, loads of caffeine, you know, Red Bull and coffee. I think that's what it got me going, you know. I just did not feel tired at all. I just didn't feel tired. I just, you know, I didn't want to sleep. But when I got into Turkey and decided I'm going to drive down south to home, I did about 60-70 miles into it, 10:30 in the morning, and it was already 32 degrees. That's when the tiredness kicked in and I could feel I can't go anymore. And I had a kip for around 2.5 hours. And the information I have received from other drivers on the social media, that this journey from here down south to Izmir, that's where I'm from, Izmir, the west coast, that there are loads of roadworks and they have put gravels on the road, which is like a way of doing this asphalt, you know, which is the tarmac. They put the tarmac, the black thing onto the ground, and then they put the gravels on, and then they go over with a cylinder, and that just melts and then just becomes the road. Because of the heat, you know, the tarmac is just not durable, so they're using this technique. That's the danger of driving on that road with the oncoming traffic shooting those stones at you. That is something. I think I'm in the wrong lane. I need to go left. Yeah, I'm in the wrong lane. I'm just going to switch over so you can see, you know, where I am, where I'm driving, so you can experience the driving in Turkey a little bit. Oh, I'm in the right lane. So it's 2 lanes to left. That's all right. Oh dear, I thought, you know, I'm in the wrong lane. The thing, you know, with our red lights and green lights, we got a counter. It counts back the time. That green one has got 25 seconds to go into red, and now we have green and we have 23 seconds as well. Right, okay, I'm in the right lane. So I'm heading south. If you guys haven't been to Turkey yet, it's a must, I would say. The west coast is really nice. South, southwest, southeast, not southeast, yeah, south, yeah, no, not southeast, sorry. The south coast, Antalya. They are beautiful places, really good holidays. Look at that mosque, how beautiful that is. The new construction, they've not finished it yet. Cool. Right, okay guys, I will speak to you later. I haven't done much English videos on this journey because it was more like, you see that bike, yeah, if that lorry lorry brakes, he's dead. He's dead. That is crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, what the hell is he doing? God's sake. So that's how driving in Turkey is, you know, so it's a bit lunatic. That scooter was dangerous. Right, which way I'm going? Wow, okay. I'm gonna go straight. Yeah, if you are angry or there's a road rage, you just put your horn. You just beep with anger. And that doesn't mean it say, hello, how are you? It means swearing. I think I've got that scoot on this footage now. If I can zoom into that, it is just mad. There's loads of cameras, there's loads of speed cameras. Good job I've got no one in front of me.
A minute until midnight, I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I said what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got. just cover up my sins. Always smarter when in hindsight, but baby I don't care to win. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I say what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.